Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the luxurious, powerful, and futuristic 2025 BMW X7. Is this the ultimate luxury SUV for your garage? Let's find out. Bold elegance. Let's kick things off with the X7's jaw-dropping front end. The massive kidney grille dominates the fascia, flanked by sleek, adaptive laser headlights that shine brighter and farther than ever. The illuminated grille, which BMW calls the iconic glow, adds a touch of grandeur. The sculpted bumper with aggressive air intakes perfectly complements the car's sporty DNA, while the subtle chrome accents enhance the premium feel. Dynamic and refined. Moving to the side, the 2025 X7 features a clean and sophisticated silhouette. The long wheelbase and bold character lines emphasize its road presence, while the massive 23-inch alloy wheels scream luxury and performance. Chrome window surrounds and roof rails add a modern touch, making it clear that this SUV is built for both style and substance. Futuristic statement. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights span the width of the SUV, connected by a glossy black trim piece for a cohesive look. The dual exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper give a sporty vibe, while the subtle roof spoiler hints at aerodynamic efficiency. This is not just a luxury SUV, it's a showstopper from every angle. Luxury meets technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines opulence. The ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in customizable colors, creating a soothing atmosphere. The leather seats are not only supremely comfortable, but also heated, ventilated, and massage-capable. The centerpiece is the curved display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software. And let's not forget the crystal gear selector, a small detail that screams luxury. Power meets precision. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X7 offers multiple powertrains. The M60i model, for instance, packs a beastly 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 523 horsepower. This powerhouse propels the SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, staggering for a vehicle of its size. The mild hybrid system ensures smoother power delivery while improving fuel efficiency. Innovation at its peak tech lovers will adore the array of features packed into the X7. From the advanced driver assistance systems to the 30-speaker Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, every detail is engineered to elevate the experience. Gesture controls, wireless charging, and augmented reality navigation are just the tip of the iceberg. So, is the 2025 BMW X7 the ultimate luxury SUV? With its breathtaking design, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it certainly sets a new benchmark in its class. Comment below your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this.